Here are our top 5 home remedies for swollen feet. Swollen feet plague many people, especially if you are overweight and your body doesn't circulate as well. 1. Epsom salt. Epsom salt does an excellent job bringing swelling down in all parts of the body. It contains magnesium sulfate, which can help the circulation of fluids in the body. 2. Exercise. Exercise is an important part of anyone's daily routine, but should be especially if you have circulation issues. Exercising brings blood fluids to your upper limbs up and away from your feet and legs. 3. Magnesium. If you're lacking the essential nutrient magnesium, you may be experiencing edema. Edema is the buildup of fluid in the tissue, typically in the arms and legs, which makes joints tight and hard to move. 4. Ginger. Ginger acts as a natural diuretic and can help relieve swollen feet. It brings down sodium levels, so it's best to lay off the crackers. 5. Dandelion. Mix 1 teaspoon of dandelion leaves with 1 cup of hot water. Dandelion is also a natural diuretic and helps regulate sodium levels in the body. If you have tips, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.